As a matter of fact, today I'm going to start a series in which I will compare Gaga and Rabudai. And there couldn't be a better time to do so because the carnival season begins at the end of January and ends on March the 4th, which is the eve of Lent. This marks the beginning of the Rara season, which goes through, I would say, which goes through Easter. What what is interesting in all of that is the way the Christian calendar intertwine with those social or cultural events reflects a blend of syncretic elements, cultural elements, I should say, uh, that account for our diversity. And I could say uh, Haiti's cultural heritage includes influences from indigenous people, Americans, uh, Europeans, and Africans. Musically, what I'd like to say is that the sacred influences the secular. And that is to say, the two genres cited, and Albudai, must be understood in the context of the Haitian Vodou, which is the predominant uh, religion of the poor majority. Uh, Haitian Vodou is a syncretic, is an Afro Catholic syncretic religion that emerged from the understanding of the African Vodou itself, which originated in West Africa, mixed with European Catholicism. So, uh, to, to compare that, I'm going to play one of the songs on my 7 albums, which is which I named Prière pour Haïti or Pray for Haiti. It is a song that I will consider to be Prière Guinée in the Vodou ceremonies, which is a Kyrie in Catholicism. So let's listen to Prière for Haiti.